Changing your password on Afterpay is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Afterpay website or open the Afterpay app. Enter your current login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Select password change option. In account settings, look for the option to change your password. Click on this option to proceed. Step 4. Enter current and new password. You will be prompted to enter your current password followed by your new password. Make sure your new password meets the security requirements set by Afterpay. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the necessary information, click on the Save or Update button to finalize the password change. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your password has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily change your Afterpay password and enhance your account security.